Rise. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session.
Good morning. All right, you may be seated. Good morning.
Oh, man.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm going to try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. Counselor, good morning to you. And Tovik.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Give me the correct pronunciation.
Antovsky, Your Honor.
Fantastic. Who's your client?
Last name is Lumaj, Lumaj.
For a formal hearing. Okay.
I don't know if the court would give me an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm going to put you in breakout room 4. That's where the prosecutor will.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I give the officer a half-hour grace period. By my clock, if that officer does not appear, then you know what to do.
Yes, Your Honor.
Aaron, good morning to you.
Good morning.
What is your full name, sir?
Aaron Gandy.
Aaron, there's your client, Ms. Davis. Good morning to you, Mr. Gandy.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I be placed in a breakout room with Madam Prosecutor?
You can go to for Mr. Gandy. I'm going to put you in breakout room 5, okay?
Okay.
Your attorney will come see you when she's got things to.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit. George, your client, you're set for trial. LaWanda Galloway, did we get that?
You know what?
I'll just take that. City of Detroit versus LaWanda Galloway, case number SP 1913852, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 191390001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Galloway.
LaWanda Galloway.
Good morning to you, ma'am. You need to turn your camera on. Everybody's got to turn their camera on, please.
I'm trying to figure out how to do that.
All right.
Stop video.
Seems like it's on here, but it's off on your end. Ms. Galloway, I'm going to purpose of arraignment, Mr. Berry.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Galloway, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
Galloway has a valid driver's license.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll pass the matter. Jacob Leggett has set for trial as well, or is he not? He is not. All right, City of Detroit versus Jacob Latrell Leggett. Case number is SP 1899701. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, please.
Latrell.
All right, turn your camera on, please. All right, good morning to Mr. Leggett. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Mr. Joseph Greenfield there.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Do you have valid insurance, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you show the court that?
Um, let me actually see it. Can you see it?
You might pull it back a little bit. I don't think you have your background on. It's just coming through blurry.
Okay.
Pull it back some more. Do you have a background on?
No, sir. I don't do,
Yeah.
not to my knowledge.
No, I don't think so either. You just can't make it out.
Uh-uh.
All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna see if one of the attorneys can make it out.
Okay. From LA Insurance.
You can let it down. Let me get one of the attorneys, see if they can do something.
Excuse me, Judge.
Who's that? All right, let's go back on. Hold on. What happened to Mr. Warbler? He fell off?
Yeah, I got
I
disconnected
just
from my
let him back
breakout
in,
room.
Judge.
All right, you guys didn't get a chance to speak?
No.
All right.
Sorry, Your Honor, I dropped off for some reason.
You rejoin that breakout room, Mr. Leggett.
Okay. This.
Samir Edgar.
Hi, I'm here for my son Donnie Harris. We're trying to log in. I just got the correct Zoom ID. I hope it's the right courtroom.
All right, start your video, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Now, who is your son?
Donnie Harris.
Donnie Harris. Donnie Harris. That doesn't. Let me see. Spell Donnie, please. D-O-N-N-E. D-O-I-D-I-O-N-N-E.
DONNIE.
D-O.
NNIE.
Okay. Yeah, he's supposed to be here. Why isn't he on this docket? It's the 29th. Donnie Harris, he's not on the docket.
I have Donnie Harris.
Oh, Ali, Fidel.
This is Judge Youngblood.
Oh, that's so close to my 369. Do you see this? You see the difference? All right, you have to go to Judge Youngblood's courtroom. Judge Youngblood's Zoom ID is 360-0340. That's for Donnie Harris. You're muted, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry. You said 360-03.
No, 360-0340.
Thank you.
Welcome. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
We're just waiting on an attorney.
Is that in regards to Mr. Genrich, Your Honor?
Going to you, it is regarding everyone.
Okay. All right. Mr. Genrich is here with me. I'm going to be zooming on from a different device in a moment. This is Attorney Pernicano. Good morning.
Okay, good morning. Do you want to, I'll give you a breakout room.
Yeah, you can put Mr. Genrich in a breakout room and then I'll zoom in a little bit from my other device.
Is he zooming in from the iPhone here?
No, he's here with me. He's going to be on this device right here that I'm talking on. He's here with me.
Oh.
Come here, Mr. Genrich.
Good morning.
Hello, you don't have to show up. You just very good. iPhone 2, good morning to you. Good morning to you, Mr. Genders. Good morning to you, Mr. Perkins.
Morning.
iPhone 2, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera and state your name, please. Good morning to you. Take your hat off, sir. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Maurice Gibbs.
Maurice Gibbs.
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gibbs.
Good morning, sir.
Matter set for trial. I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If they appear, we'll get you in with an attorney. If they do not appear, we'll get you out of here, okay?
Okay, appreciate it.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Galloway. Ms. Galloway, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration, and we would seek dismissal.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
Good, thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Gina Maria Gant McDonald, case number SP 9305581, SP 971584, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gant McDonald.
Gina Marie Gant McDonald. Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. The date and time is set for a Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Carl, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gant McDonald, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, let's pass the matter. That's formal hearing time. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a appointed attorney.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Gant, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for you, and that date will be the 20th of July, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that that appointed attorney has time to contact you. If you don't hear from that, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, then we'll get one appointed for you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, if you don't have anything further, sir, you and your mom, I do wish you both the best of luck, and thank you, Mom, for appearing. That does not go unnoticed. Have a very good rest of your day. See you back on the 20th of July, all right?
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Greenfield, case number SB 190460441. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record at this time.
Joseph Greenfield, are you there still? You have to unmute yourself, sir.
There we go.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
It's Joseph Marcus Greenfield Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Greenfield, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Good morning, Corporal Spidell. Is that Officer Arthur Hill?
Good morning, Your Honor. Arthur Hall.
Arthur Hall, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, officer.
Good morning.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning. My name is Rachel Green. I was trying to change the name on the screen.
That's okay. Good morning to you, Ms. Green. Your attorney is here. He's in another courtroom, but he showed up in person, okay?
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Joseph Greenfield. Mr. Greenfield, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Tiffany Astor, case number. Who's talking? You have to mute yourself. Tiffany Laster, case numbers SP 144-69122, SP 1900735, SP 1913262, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, my name is Tiffany Laster. Good morning.
Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Ms. Laster, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. It's probably one case under a warrant status, Mr. For purposes of arraignment on that warrant.
Judge, we will ask Amy warrants be recalled. KP is set aside. She's going to stand mute and wait formal reading moving forward.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. That is a no insurance misdemeanor. Ms. Laster owes some civil infractions, a handful of them, one of which is a $336 no insurance proof. I don't know if it's affected her ability to get a license, but it potentially will. I'll give Ms. Laster, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Durton Lumjai, case number 263704261. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Goran Antopsky, P75898 on behalf of Mr. Lumai. Your Honor, just out of candor, I have not spoken to the prosecutor yet.
Okay, good morning to you. And today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Is there an officer Beckham, Gerald Beckham, hearing no response and have not seen that officer appear in court, not in the breakout rooms? What about your client's presence, counsel? You retain counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, he's given me permission to stand in on his behalf with authority to enter any sort of agreement if one would be present.
And with that representation, I'm going to waive your client's presence. And you want to make a motion, counselor?
Your Honor, at this time, I'd ask to dismiss this case without prejudice.
All right, motion granted. If there's nothing further, counselor, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Have a good fourth. Thank you, Judge.
I don't know why there's two files for this, but we'll consolidate. Put them all. Good morning, counselor.
Good morning, Judge.
Are you working now on your own or?
No, I'm still with Attorney Horn.
I let Ms. Horn in, Judge.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
Horn. All right. Let's wait on an attorney. Oh, let me get, are we ready on, Gant McDonald?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's, for some reason, she's not coming out of the breakout room.
I'll go back in and try.
All right, I think she fell off. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Dorian Gardenhire. Case numbers SP 1909357. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gardenhire.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass that matter. Mr. Berry, we got Ms. Gant McDonald back. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gant McDonald. Ms. Gant McDonald, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to allowing for one of the improper license charges, the remaining charges, improper license and insurance to be dismissed.
These are 2018 tickets. Want to take the deal, ma'am? Or you want to set a trial date?
Yes, sir. I'd like to accept the deal.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
I did, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
I do.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Now, let me draw your attention back to February 14th, 2019 at around 1:09 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Chicago and Freeland. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
He did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir, I could not.
And why is that?
I didn't have a Michigan driver's license at the time. I had a Florida driver's license that I didn't have with me at the time.
I find you guilty as to the amended count of allowing $240 as the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay, ma'am?
The 3rd of August.
I'll give you until, what is this, June 30th? I'll give you until the 3rd of August. 3rd of August, you pay it at any
Thank you.
DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I see you may not be in Michigan, but you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. There are other ways to pay it. Come back on the 3rd of August at 8:25. If it's paid, then we'll dismiss the case, and what's placed the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other 2 cases now. I'll waive the warrant fee. You're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fee as well. All right? I wish you the best of luck, Ms. McDonald.
Okay.
And have a rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right, be safe.
You're a Spanish interpreter.
Thank you.
Good morning to you.
I believe you requested the assistance of an interpreter for a gentleman,
Yes,
Jorge Gonzalez.
yes. Good morning to you, Madam Interpreter.
Good morning, Your Honor. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Good morning, Corporal Spidell.
Good morning, Your Honor. I was wondering if I could be excused. I just had to sign into a couple of other courtrooms. I spoke with the prosecutor.
Very well.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we don't need it. All that? I don't know. You gotta talk to Ramon. He the one that put it.
I don't remember letting Jawan Gray in, but
Excuse me, Your Honor.
yes. Good
my
morning to
name,
you.
Your Honor, I'm here. Juwan Gray's here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well. And yourself?
I'm okay.
Okay, who was that that said, excuse me?
yes, my name is Lawrence Godwin. Do you have a do you have a case for me?
Yes.
Mm.
Yes, sir, Mr. Godwin.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardenhire. Mr. Gardenhire, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 miles over for the disregarding a red signal charge and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gardenhire?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
State the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Gardenhire?
Can you give me about 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks?
I'll give you until the 30th of July. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Gardenhire. If there's nothing further, there are other ways. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. I wish you the best of luck. Okay, sir?
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. You too.
Have a great day. Miss Madam Interpreter, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Ines Ucros, INES, Ucros, UCROS, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand?
Yes, Your Honor. Can I am going to activate my camera so you can see me.
Well, you just make sure your hand is raised, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth? Or do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor. Yes.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Jorge Sierra Gonzalez. Case number SP 1908337, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bueno, esta es la Fiscalía de Detroit contra el señor José Sierra González, número de caso SP 1900037. Por favor, las personas que se encuentran en este asunto, identifíquense para que consten actas.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
El señor Berry Jr. representando a Dado. Diga su nombre completo, señor González.
Jorge Sierra González.
Jorge Sierra González.
Mr. Berry.
Señor Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Mr. Berry, the interpreter couldn't hear what you said.
I said thank you.
Oh, gracias.
The court indicated that my client has a valid license.
Mi juez indicó que mi cliente tiene una licencia de conducción válida. Your Honor, I have an invitation to show up to a breakout room. Are you indicating to the gentleman that he needs to go to a breakout room right now?
Yes.
Señor,
Your Honor,
acepte la invitación que aparece en su pantalla para ir a una sesión separada.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit, the people are moving to dismiss. So Mr. Gonzalez is gone. The people are moving to dismiss.
No, he's in the breakout room. I'll let him know when they come out.
Okay. Same for Ronald Gray, Your Honor. After speaking with the officers this week, no recollection to move forward.
On any of the matters?
Correct.
All right.
And they did search, Your Honor, trying to get footage but no recall.
That's Christmas in June there, Mr. Gray. All right. Let's see, Mr. Soroki says he needs for Gantz and Mohammed Ghali. He needs the pre-sentence report. I don't see a report for Gantz. Let's call the city of Detroit. We passed Gonzalez's matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Ronald Earl Gray Jr. Case number SP 116666941, SP 4381991, SP 6840701, SP 9960332.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
18. Hold on a second. 495237, counts 1 and counts 2. And the state of Michigan versus Ronald Earl Gray, case number SX 340876001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gray.
Ronald Earl Gray Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. I think I've had 1, 2. We don't have enough to proceed, so your matters are going to be dismissed. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fee, and you owe a lot of civil infractions as well. Mr. Gray, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, your matters are going to be dismissed per the city attorney. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Vamos a volver en el acta nuevamente al caso del señor González. Señor González, de acuerdo a lo que está estableciendo el fiscal, todos los asuntos que tenía usted pendientes con este juzgado van a ser desestimados. Que tenga usted un muy buen día si ya no hay nada más que aclarar.
Okay, muchas gracias.
All right, thank you very much. You have a great day.
Have a better
Feliz
one.
4.
Ya se puede retirar, señor González. Que tenga un buen día. Your Honor, I believe there is nobody else that you need assistance with.
I'm going to find out. You can ask now, please.
¿Hay alguien más que requiera la asistencia de un intérprete en el idioma español?
Jose Antonio Lopez.
Señor José Antonio López, active su micrófono, por favor. Buenos días. ¿Usted necesita la asistencia de un intérprete? Your Honor, can you excuse the interpreter for a second, please?
Yes.
Bueno,
Jose Antonio Lopez.
yes, I don't.
You don't need an interpreter?
No, sir.
Okay, very well. Okay, Madam Interpreter, you're free to leave. Be safe. Good, thank you. Mr. Berry, let's call the city of Detroit versus Juan Gray, case number SP 1002470, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 191044951.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is Jawan
Yes,
Gray, number SX 4233041, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gray.
Juan Andre Gray.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day's date and time is set for a pre-trial. We'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, and let's call SX 348200051 into the record as well. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
And that last case is for?
On the docket, all of them are on the docket, so.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, Mr. Gray, when you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pass the map.
Can the court call Michael Genrich when the court is able to?
This is City of Detroit versus Michael Stephen Genrich. Case number SP 1895415, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Genrich, retained counsel. Mr. Genrich, state your full and complete name for the record.
Michael Stephen Genrich.
Good morning to you, Mr. Genrich. Today is the date and time set for a trial date. Officer Harvin is here. Did you work it out, Attorney Perkins?
No, I was not aware that he's here. I'm going to have to talk to the city attorney.
All right.
I'll log in from a different device and I'll speak with her.
Very well. We'll pass the matter. Officer Harvin, your
Your Honor,
matter's
the
up.
interpreter is back. I apologize that I was removed
No,
from.
you're fine. We're free. You're free to leave. Best of luck, and we'll see you next time.
Mr. Lopez speaks English, Your Honor.
He speaks English.
Very well. You have a great day.
You have a better one.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. You said I'm free to leave, or the interpreter?
No, you're not free to leave. Their matter is going to be set for the attorney's going to speak with the city.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Gene.
Thank you.
Judge, thank you.
Officer Harris, are you in the room?
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. I didn't see your name. Who's your defendant? Oh, I see. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want, Mr. Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back on the 23rd of July at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Daylon Deontay Ramon George. Case number is SP 185-30211, SP 187-6629, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 187-6635, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daylon George. Oh, sorry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. George. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you? Good morning, Mr. Berry. Daylon Deontay Ramon George.
Okay. Officer Hall, you there? All right. Mr. George, Mr. Berry, I'll allow Mr. George to be heard on this failure to stop ticket. I don't know why it didn't make it to the docket. Mr. George, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome. Officer Hall, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record, please?
Officer Hall.
Put your camera on, please.
I got
Thank
you. Badge 4389.
Detroit Police?
Detroit Police, sir.
Good morning, okay. Go ahead, Mr. George, join the room, please. We'll
Okay,
pass
thank
them.
you.
Are we ready on Gingrich? All right.
Judge, we're ready.
All right, again, let's call the City of Detroit versus Michael Stephen Gingrich, case number SP 189-5415, counts 1, 2, and 3. Officer Harvin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you state your name, badge? Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Officer Daniel Havern, badge 573, Detroit Police Department.
All right, my apologies, Officer Havern. Day, date, and time set for a trial. Have you worked this out, Mr. Farrakhan?
Yes, Judge, we have. And my client is going to be tendering a responsible plea to careless driving. The original 3 matters on the docket are to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gingrich?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
With those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of careless driving. It's $210 fine. When can you pay it, sir?
I can pay it in about 2 to 3 weeks.
We have 30 days.
I'll give you until July the 30th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, you and counsel and Mr. Gingrich have a very good rest of your day, and Officer Havern as well. Be safe.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you want to run this for me, please?
Just, can you give me just 1 minute before we go to the next case? Thank you.
Seems like his name was entered into wrong. One of the things that Mr. Gorick, his name was entered into wrong. He seems to have it spelled with a hyphen. Mr. Anton Gregoric.
Yes.
Marisha, good morning to you. Is that
Good
the
morning.
way you spell your name as it appears on the screen?
Gregorek and a hyphen Berisha?
Yes.
Yes.
So that hyphen did not make it into the one didn't have the hyphen, and the other one, it doesn't, it's wrong completely. Mr. Corporal Bennett, your matter was dismissed. The city said They couldn't proceed. Be safe out there and best of luck to you.
Wow. Thank you.
No, not you, Mr. Barisha.
I thought I heard that. Yeah, me too. Yeah. No, thanks. Yeah. Only.
Xavier Goodwin.
Yes.
Good morning, or maybe, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm back, Judge.
All right. I'm wondering how we can help you. I don't see you being pulled up here. Are we ready on Love?
We're ready on Love, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Kimberly Michelle Love, case number SB 1-888-3221. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please the court. My ADA is P88515. Standing in for Counsel Record Vasselin Johnson II. For Ms. Kimberly Love, who is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Love, can you please state your full name for the record?
Kimberly Michelle Love.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Corporal Spidell did appear. Have you worked it out?
Your Honor, there is a resolution in this matter. The people have proposed a plea recommendation, which my client would like to take advantage of. That recommendation would be amending the open alcohol passenger to a disorderly conduct, and that will be under a 3-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and
Yes.
or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Davis went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to March 25th, 2026, around 8:51 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Chalfont. Were you having occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Was that alcohol open?
Yes, sir.
And there was something in the container?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of disorderly conduct. 3-month delayed sentence. I have a review date at 8/25 on 9/29. Was that September 29th, 2026? pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways. Those are just the two best ways. And don't get any other trouble from now until then, any other trouble like this, and we'll dismiss the case if both those two requirements are met, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Love. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Ready on anyone else, counsel?
Your Honor, I believe we're ready on Gandy. Madam Prosecutor, request to be out here for Gandy.
Well, let her know we're ready.
Okay, I'll go grab her.
Reschedule. Yeah, right. Confidence. Or not loud.
Mr. Gandy, please. Can you find out if he completed his community service? Please.
Mr. Gandy, please mute your device, and Mr. Graham, please remove your do-rag.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Laster. Ms. Laster, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, she wants to take advantage of the offer
They'll dismiss the no insurance charges. She'll plead to the disregard red signal, recommended to be amended to limited access speeding 1 to 5 over.
You want to take the deal, Andy? Miss Laster, I'm sorry.
Oh, yes. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the tickets as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
As a limited access 1 to 5.
Correct, Judge.
With that stipulation, I find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Ms. Laster?
By the 7th of July, for sure.
Well, I'm gonna give you till the 30th of June well, 7th of July.
Yes,
I
by the
just
7th of July.
Yes. You owe a lot of other money down here. So I'll give you till the 30th of July. Pay it at any dib that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There's nothing further, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Judge. I think with these dismissals, this was the only thing holding her back from getting her license. So I think she should be okay, Judge.
Well, no, that no insurance 336 needs to be paid first before she can get
she
a
has
license.
no proof that's out there?
Yeah, 336.
Okay,
She has
then that's what you got to pay, ma'am.
All right.
Okay.
336 needs to be paid first before you can get a license, at least with the 36th District Court. Best of luck. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Troy versus Lawrence, you're welcome. Lawrence Godwin III, case number SP19013001, counts 1 and counts 2, SP19013091. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full and complete name for the record at this time.
Lawrence Godwin III.
All right, today, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Warren, go ahead, counselor.
Just for those purposes, would ask any warrants to be recalled. He'll stand mute and wait for more reading at this time.
Whether or not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. There are two matters. I wouldn't have any issue with setting them aside. They're just, I don't even think they're in default, but because there's no extra money on them, there's a no insurance proof and an expired plate. Have a valid driver's license. Mr. Godwin, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, pass the matter. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Aaron Terrell Gandy, case numbers SP 1729670, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 186668521. Appearance for the record, please.
Kamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
All right, today, go ahead, sir.
Good morning. May it please the court, Maya Davis, PA8515, standing in for counsel record Vaseline Johnson for Aaron Gandy, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Gandy, can you please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record?
Aaron Gandy.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time. I had slash motion hearing pre-trial. What's go ahead, counselor. Who's gonna go?
Your Honor, I was not aware that this was a motion hearing. I'm not certain that I was on the record when this was scheduled, so I didn't have any idea of what the motion date was. I did receive counsel's motion to suppress on June 11th, 2026 via email. There was no notice date, notice of hearing date, and also the court rule, MCR 2.108B provides that 21 days would be a response time, which would be next Thursday, Your Honor, in order for me to have a timely response in.
Your response, counselor?
Yeah, we don't have an objection to adjourning this motion date.
All right, so are we gonna be ready to go on next Thursday or what? Because I don't know if this is something I could probably rule on that day when I get it.
Yes, Your Honor. I will work on that this is this Thursday. Correct. let's see, that would be 7. See, I counted out. Would the people be allowed 1 week from today, Your Honor?
Ms. Davis?
I'm actually in Ypsilanti in person that day, and I have a couple pre-trials. Next Monday would not work for me. I'm looking to see.
I can work on it. We can Thursday. I'll work on it today, and tomorrow I'll have it to the court by the 1st.
If the court is available July 7th, I'll be available that day.
I'm open to that too.
That doesn't, the court is here.
The court is here.
Talk to Mr. David, Mr. Gandy. That's up to Mr. Gandy and Miss Davis.
Your Honor, July 7th works. Mr. Gandy, could you be available July 7th for the motion hearing?
Yes.
Okay,
July 7th, Mr. Gandy. Come on back July 7th for the motion hearing / pre-trial. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, counsel.
At 8:30. All right.
Okay.
Have a great day.
I better. All right, let's go back on the record. Your client is here. Rochelle Green. Let's go back on the record. Do you want the file? Or you are? Let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek an adjournment, Your Honor. Mr. George needs an attorney.
He's got one of the best attorneys in Michigan, but he did ask for an attorney to be appointed to him. I don't see that attorney has been appointed. I do have it in the file. So someone should have called him, and I'm guessing you never got a call, right, Mr. George?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so that's in the file. Can we get one of them appointed right now, please? Ms. Mathis did her part.
Mr. Gerald Walls is our in person, and the other gentleman was Hispanic. I'll get ready.
Why is Gerald Laws here? He's not on the docket. All right, let's pass that matter. So, Mr. Berry, let's call the city of Detroit versus Anton Gregoric Barisha, case number SP 1913258, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run this?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
That's Anton Gregoric Barisha.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
We're running his license now, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter.
Where does he appear on the docket, Your Honor?
He's on the second page. His name is messed up. It's right under each other, though. On the second page, right in the middle of 835. Mr. Warbling, Mr. Godwin has a valid license. And Mr. Berry, Mr. Barisha has a valid driver's license.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawrence Godwin II, Mr. Godwin III. Mr. Godwin, with Mr. Berry, what is Mr. Warbling, what does Mr. Godwin want to do?
Judge, he has a valid license and other documents as well. So his insurance and registration. There would be a recommendation to dismiss this, and we would stipulate to probable cause.
All right, case is going to be dismissed for providing valid documentation. Mr. Godwin, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Pass, go to, this is the City of Detroit versus Jalen Golson, case number SP 1913073, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Could you please state your full and complete name for the record at this time?
Jalen Golson. Jalen Golson. Can you hear me?
No, it broke up.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Go ahead.
Jalen Golson.
All right, good morning. Let's also call SP 111-09131 into the record as well. Mr. Golson, Mr. Warblin's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Running the license now, Mr.
Thank you, Your Honor, to your staff.
All right, suspended. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you, Judge.
Are you ready, Counselor?
Your Honor, I didn't know if the officer appeared at the Rachel Green matter.
Let's see. Xavier Goodwin. I'm
Yeah.
trying to find something, but it's
No,
not. It's not.
My name is hyphenated. It's Goodwin hyphen BALL. In case it's not showing up.
Say that again now.
I said it's Goodwin hyphen Ball. So it's Goodwin / Ball.
Goodwin hyphen Ball. Let's see. Do you have insurance, sir?
Yes.
Can you show the court that? I get you. Oh, I see you on the docket now. City of Detroit versus Xavier Goodwin Ball, case number SB 186-00911. Appearance for the, state your name for the record, please.
Xavier Goodwin.
All right, let's see what you have as far as insurance.
Are you able to see that?
And your background. All right, yeah, I'll be able to see it. Give me 1 second, please. I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thanks.
What do you want to do? Oh, you're trying to find out officers. So officers for Rachel Green, 1 officer showed.
Okay.
And I'm surprised that the other officers did not show because that's Corporal Whitehead. He usually shows, but he didn't today.
I'll go outside and get online. All right, Your Honor, talk to you.
Very well. Mr. Golson fell off, right? I'm gonna bring him back in. Madam Rahal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How can we help you?
I have a case for GHALI, Mona.
GHALI?
Yes. Or the number is Z as in zebra.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Z
Z as in zebra, 8100-321.
To 10 a.m., Your Honor.
Mohammed Ghali.
Oh,
Moyad Ghali.
that's what I have in my.
He's
hand.
out there.
He just came in.
All right. And then we're waiting on,
He's scheduled for sentencing.
sentencing. We're waiting on, Mr. Soroki for that.
Does he have, that's the Roki's client?
Yes.
Okay. So do you want me to take him off the Zoom call?
You can. No, you can leave him on so Mr. Soroki can go over the rights of rights with him. Okay. Get probation down here for Muhammad Ghali. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregaric. Mr. Gregaric, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Gregaric?
Yes, Your Honor.
So trial date is July the 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Erica Larkins, case number SP 1750799, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1888166, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Larkins.
Erica Lee Larkins.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is
Good
the
morning.
date set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. You missed your formal hearing on 6/8/2026. Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment,
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
will enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Larkins' behalf, give Ms. Larkins a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, I guess this is kind of broken up for some reason. I'll allow Ms. Larkins to be heard on the 2 matters of defective brake lights and improper address on license, civil infractions. Ms. Larkins, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Golson. Mr. Golson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a pretrial date.
That would be great, Judge, because he says he can achieve a compliance, Your Honor.
All right, pretrial date is going to be July the 20th, 2026 at 8:30. Mr. Golson, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Could you say that date again? You broke up a little bit.
July 23rd, 2020, no, strike that. July the 20th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is Corporal Bennett, Your Honor. I have to go to Judge Wagner right quick. Can I go and come back?
Your cases were dismissed for the city attorney, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You say City of Detroit, Shalonda Grant, case number SP 1912928, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Could you please state your name for the record at this time?
Shalonda Grant.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. We'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll pass the matter. Kevin George. I see.
Yes, sir.
Kevin, okay, I just wanted to make sure that you were there. Good morning to you. Mr. Banks, do you have valid insurance, sir? Good morning to you, Mr. Let, I'm sorry. Let Banks. Let Banks. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. No, sir, I do not at this time.
Okay. Give me a minute, sir. Mr. Maurice Gibbs. Good morning to you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
So she wants to waive her rights, take advantage of the offer. They would dismiss the no insurance charge. She would plead to the speeding. However, it would be amended. The recommendation is to limited access speeding 1 to 5 over.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Grant?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Those stipulations, I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of, strike that. I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of limited access 1 to $525. Ms. Grant, when can you pay it?
I get paid next week.
All right, pay it by, what's today? Pay it by July the 10th, ma'am. Pay it at any kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways. I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Kevin Emmanuel George. Case number SP 189-8178, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Please, this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, can you state your full and complete name for the record at this time?
Kevin Emmanuel George.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute to a trial, okay? Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Erica Larkins. Miss Larkins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Mr. Barry, you muted.
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Larkins?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set you a trial date for July the 3rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
All right, thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Sean Lamar Lovelace, case number SB 186-7239, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 186-72393, SB 190-60911. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lovelace.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Lovelace. Are you driving, sir? All right, you have to unmute yourself. Does Mr. Lovelace even have a valid license?
Yes, I do. It's valid now.
Run his license, please. State your name for the record, Mr. Lovelace.
Sean Lamar Lovelace.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, there's 2 other civil infractions. I'll get those to you in momentarily when I get the file back. Mr. Lovelace, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with him. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Is it valid? License is valid, and there's a failure to stop and a no valid registration. I wouldn't have an issue with allowing Mr. Lovelace to be heard on that if the city has no objection. Join the room, sir. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Let's pass the matter. Do we ever get for George?
No, I've called and I've gotten no response on the message to see for spot sign. I have not gotten anything.
Very good. He does have a valid license, Mr. Barrett.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Thank you. All right. He's not in yet. Give me 1 second, Mr. Let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take a deal to an open intox passenger.
Correct, Judge. They will dismiss the no insurance charge, Your Honor.
You realize, sir, that no insurance open intox passenger is the same as the driver. Essentially, is 2 points on your driver's license. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Your right hand, please. No other right.
Oh,
You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Warbling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Nope.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 21st, 2026, around 9:31 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Ferguson. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you, was there some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was it open?
Yes.
And was it some still in the container, sir?
Yes.
All right. I find him guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matter.
Stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, we'll find $240. When can you pay it, Mr. George?
Can I get on a payment plan? I couldn't
Um,
get on a payment plan or something.
I'll give you until July 30th to pay it or get into a payment plan. I'm marking the file allow payment plan. Either pay it by July 30th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. I can tell you to pay it, or you get into that payment plan on before July 30th. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well.
Thank you. City of Detroit. Pardon me. City of Detroit versus Derek Derez J. Let Banks, case number SP 189-21091. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full and complete name for the record at this time.
Derek, there is John Lit Banks.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Ayala did appear. He's not here now. Mr. Warbling, join the breakout room with Mr. Banks and see if you can get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, sir, day is the date and time set for the trial. Pass the matter. Did you get that? All right, Mr. Hall, we're waiting on Mr. Soroki to appear. He did email me today, so he knows that his client is being sentenced.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, you asked me a question.
Did you get this to Mr. Soroki, that one, what do you call it, sentencing report? Did we confirm for Michael Lanton, community service?
I just got off the phone. He explained to her where he was doing his community service, but he isn't yet to turn in his proof that he's completed it. That's his file right here.
Okay. And no update on Mr. George's. I hate to let you go, Mr. George, without getting you that appointed attorney because you should have had one by now, but we're not getting any response from them. All right, iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please? Are we ready, Mr. Ragnon, on your client?
Well, Your Honor, I can't reach Miss Horn, who confirmed a previous.
Yes, my name is Anthony Gaines.
Anthony Gaines, all right, good morning to you. Let's get Ms. Horn in here. Let's call Ms. Horn, please. All right, Anthony Gaines, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Please remove your do-rag, sir.
City of Detroit versus Anthony Tyrone Gaines. Case number is SP 159-53831, SP 187400741. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Gaines.
Anthony Gaines.
All right, I need to see you, sir. Come on in this view.
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning to you. You have a
Good morning.
shirt on?
I'm putting one on right now.
Listen, do not do that.
Okay.
Come in here, be prepared. Pass the matter. Mr. Soroki, good morning to you. Ms. Rahal, good morning to you. Ms. Rahal. Good morning. What's your name? Stephen Green. Ms. Rahal. All right, we have to wait. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lett. Mr. Lett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to plead to an improper plate.
That's correct, Judge. I've explained to him his rights.
You don't insurance, sir? You're not getting insurance?
I mean, I will. I just need a little bit more time. I really ain't been.
We didn't. Would you like a reset pretrial, sir?
You mean, which you haven't really been what?
I just buried my grandmother. I've been grieving. I just got back to work, so I really ain't been having the time to. But I was gonna get it. I can get it. I always had insurance. I just once it's been a lot. So.
All right. I'm sorry for the death of your grandmother. Officer Ayala, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Ayala, badge number 125.
Detroit Police Department.
Yes, Detroit Police Department, Officer Ayala, badge number 125.
Morning. I'm going to give him another time we'll reset the trial date for July 23rd, 2026. All right. I sympathize with you and the loss of your grandmother, sir. But let's get
appreciate it.
All right. If there's nothing further, be safe. All right. You be safe out there too, Officer Ayala.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Barrett, this is the city of Detroit. Mr. Warbling versus Anthony Lopez, case number SP 191-36991. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full and complete name for the record at this time.
Yeah, my full name is Jose Antonio Guadalupe Lopez Gonzalez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Judge, we'll stand mute and wait for a reading at this time, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Rahal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Samara Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Arabic and Arabic to English?
Yes, Your Honor, I.
Very well. Mr. Ghali, are you there?
Say it, Gali. Say it, Gali.
Golly.
Muayyad. Say it,
Golly.
Muayyad.
I don't know where.
Where is it? Say it, Muayyad. Say it, Gali Muayyad. I don't see his name on the screen.
No, it's not. He's on the phone.
Okay. So
Telephone at 313-231-8508.
say it, Muayyad. عم يحكي معك القاضي.
نعم.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Gali, Mr. Soroki, did you get the pre-sentence report?
I have to check my email now, Your Honor. I didn't have it before, so let me see here. No, I don't see one. I don't see that it came in. Oh, here's the sentencing report. Sorry. Okay, this is on. Let's see who this is on here. Yes, it's on Shanta Gantz. I don't see one on Gali yet. I'll look for it, Your Honor. Pull this off.
On the telephone at 313-231-8508. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
يلي رقم التليفون نهايتها.
No, I don't think they need an interpreter. 313-231-8508. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Gali Mohamed Nasir.
Oh, that's Mohammed Gali. That is Mohammed Gali. On the telephone at 313-283-2296. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
It's not my phone number.
313-283-2296. What is your name, please?
It's not my phone number. My phone number is 313-231-8508.
اسكت انت.
I'm gonna put him in a breakout room with you. You should have the right. I think you should have it, or it's coming now, Mr. Soroki. Can we get probation for Mr. Gali as well, please?
We will try.
All right, thank you.
Also on Shanta Gantz, the letter says that she didn't appear for her pre-sentence interview.
Right. Gali's in the breakout room. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lovelace. Mr. Lovelace, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea.
Go ahead.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to stop charge and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
You're referring to me? Yes.
Mr. Berry, okay. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters. What happened to Mr. Berry?
I don't know.
Mr. Berry?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
State the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
With those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Lovelace?
About a 20.
Say that again. Mr. Lovelace? All right, are you driving, sir? Pass it. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Tony Graham. Case numbers SP 1182809, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 120683331. SP 1494995, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 150-13703, SP 150-1580, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 162-02501, SP 187-89741. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graham. Unmute.
Good morning. Tony Graham is my name, full name.
Good morning to you, Mr. Graham. Today is the date and time. It's set for a trial. I do have Corporal Corporate appeared, Corporal Baker appeared, and Corporal Williams appeared. And then I don't see Armand. I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mr. Graham, with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to work this out for you. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
All right. And I did make the payment that you ordered me to pay before today's date as well.
Do you have a valid license?
No, I had to get that $125 up. That's next.
All right, join the room, please. We'll pass the matter.
All right. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? He wants a trial date?
Yes, Judge.
Come on back on. Is that what you want, Mr. Lopez?
Yes, sir.
Come back on July the 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Maurice Gibbs, case number SP 1889067, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Please, this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full and complete name for the record at this time.
Maurice Gibbs. Unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. Yes, Maurice Gibbs.
All right, Mr. Gibbs, today is the date and time. It is set for a trial. Corporal Spidell did appear. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Can we text Ms. Warren, please? Officer Wilson? Yes. Can we text Ms. Warren, please? On the telephone at 313-283-2296. Good morning to you. Hello? Is somebody else out there on the phone?
Only the gentleman, he's the only one out there.
Who?
The Hispanic, Mr. Soroki's client. Attorney Soroki.
No, you have an Hispanic speaking guy too?
Oh, I'm sorry, Arabic speaking.
You said there was a Spanish speaking guy.
Oh, it was Arabic.
What is this guy on this line here? 313-283-2296. All right, I don't see him. I'm gonna put you out of the room. They must have fell asleep. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Gaines. All right, today is the date and time is set for review. You were ordered to pay, you didn't pay. Was it supposed to be some community service or what?
No, I had you told me it was a certain amount that I had to pay.
Right, and you didn't pay it.
No, I didn't have the time to go pay it, and I didn't have the money this week. I mean, last week I said I was gonna try and make a payment this Friday.
All right, when is it gonna be paid?
By Friday. What was the total again? It was 5 something, I believe.
It's you owe $590 total to close
Okay.
every. All right, I'm gonna
If I
have
could,
you back on Friday at 8:25, and just if you pay it before you come in, we'll get you out of here.
okay, I appreciate it.
Friday, no. I'll have you in next Friday, July the 10th, because this Friday it's closed.
Oh, I forgot it is the 3rd of July. It's a holiday.
Yes. All right, be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thanks, you too.
What are we waiting on? Hello.
I'm not sure. No, Officer Wilson texted me.
Ragnon is on for green.
Okay.
Green only, one person, Corporal Whitehead didn't appear. She has the trespassing charge. Officer Harris is here.
Rachel, so we got Whitehead and.
Whitehead is not here. Just Officer Hill is here. Officer Whitehead never showed.
Okay, Hill. Okay, so the 12-month delayed sentence would be the offer. I'll go in and talk with him.
All right.
I'm ready to start a formal hearing, so let me see how.
12-month delayed sentence, Mr. Ragnon. I think Ms. Horn is going to join the room and talk to you. She has another issue in another court. All right, Mr. Lovelace.
Thank you.
Yes.
Your payment is going to be due by July the 30th. Pay everything you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too, Your Honor.
Judge, am I still waiting?
I don't know what can we call them again for George, please?
Yes.
Yeah, let's call them again. I don't want you to leave without having that attorney, because they didn't call you the first time, you know? Let's see. Maybe we could just come back we'll call them. Maybe just come back for a pretrial. I was gonna set it for a pretrial anyway, so that attorney has the opportunity to contact you. Do you have, is your phone number still current?
You're muted, sir.
Thank you. Yes, I believe Attorney Berry put it inside of the chat there. and CC'd everyone that was available.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I'm gonna reset this for a pretrial date for July the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. We'll still call them and today to let them know that we reset it.
You said 9 a.m., Your Honor?
No, 8:30, I'm sorry. And that's the last four is 0255.
That is correct. 8:30.
And we'll try this again.
Can I ask you how many matters are going to be discussed on that date?
It'll be all of them. Well, nothing is going to really be discussed necessarily. That date is going to be the date that hopefully that appointed attorney has contacted you before that date,
Okay.
and that you two will be able to discuss the case. But all the matters will be on the docket on that date, and then he work out a deal, set it for a trial date. Okay.
I think the judge,
That's not you. That's someone else.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you got that?
Yeah, I got that.
Sorry for the inconvenience, Mr. George. Best of luck to you. Come back on July the 20th. Just answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Well, all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to client counsel. You're trying to come in compliance. Mr. Gibbs, Mr. Warbling.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. I'm here.
Are you trying to come into compliance, sir?
Yes.
I'll give you a pretrial date of July the 20th, 2026 to come into compliance, all right?
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Say best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Probation never came down on Golly.
I don't believe Ms. Driscoll is here because I've called, I emailed, I left messages. I'm just believing she's not in the building today.
All right.
Check and see if I can get another probation.
I don't know. It's a sentencing. I haven't heard anything, so we're gonna assume that he's been in compliance, I guess. Thank you, though. Thank you. We don't know if he's done his
I'm sorry, I had to have call IT to do something about my email. I had somebody else for it this time.
Oh.
Hopefully we got one. Hopefully we got the other one. Mr. Ragnar said he fell off and you, can you let back in?
Sorry, Your Honor.
Looks like you're on powder. Come on. Right. I'm like, we went,
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I'll give you to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display and the remaining 10 matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
I would like to.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Repeat that one more time for me, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He has.
You understood those rights?
I did.
Any questions about those rights?
None.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No offers of any.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September the 16th, 2023 at around 1:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Finkel and Prevost. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
I was unable to show valid driver's license.
Okay, I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240, sir. When can you pay?
Probably, can I get to the end of this month or something? Or I don't want to say the end of June. I want to say July. I want to be very specific.
I'll give you 30 days.
That'll work.
Pay by July the 30th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Yeah, I'll probably make another payment down there in person.
Right,
Like I did with the 288.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Graham, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Oh, you
And
as
I'm gonna
well.
waive, I'll waive any warrant fees. And you'll pay any reinstatement fees, but I don't think I see any reinstatement fees. I'll waive the warrant fees. Best of luck to you, sir.
Oh, thank you, Judge Perkins. I greatly appreciate you.
All
And
right, have a great
thanks
day.
to the attorney as well.
All right, thank you. Have a great day and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you again, sir.
All right. Right now I'm working on Miss Horn never showed up. In the break, she said she had a formal hearing.
I did talk to her, Your Honor. She came by. I just need to speak to my client. I unfortunately left the meeting. So if you could give me back to hosting, I'd appreciate it. And we should be set shortly. Thank you.
I don't have a copy of the ticket either. It's 81 right now.
Ready, Your Honor, your convenience.
All right, I don't have a actual ticket in this file here. I don't even have a file for this trespassing case. I just have an ROA.
I never even got a ticket for that.
So go back, talk to,
I keep talking to this man.
Hold on. Go back and talk to, Ms. Horn. We will try to see if there's can we call down and see if there's a U ticket for there, please? All right, go back and
Ms.
talk to
Horn,
Ms. The
he's
court
in a
does not.
courtroom. I'll try to, he's in a courtroom, Your Honor, doing a case.
Very well, all right.
Maybe.
Well, your client indicated that she's never received a ticket.
Well, then I'm gonna ask the police officer who's here.
All right, so, see, we'll get it worked out. Just give me a minute, Ms. Green, all right?
I'm sorry, I'm really getting frustrated because I've been doing this, coming on here from November, and I keep telling this attorney the same thing. I never received a ticket for trespassing. Where did trespassing come from? My car got towed and took. Where did trespassing come from? And he keep telling me to plead today.
Why don't you be quiet, please?
Oh.
All right.
Were we all set, Your Honor?
Yeah, it appears we are.
Okay.
I don't have anything else, so.
Okay. If you need me, just give me a call, Judge. Thank you again. If I don't see, well, I think I might see you this week. So, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, be safe.
Have a great day.
Have you talked? Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, guys. Why isn't Green on the docket? Oh, let's see. Stephen Green?
Yeah, close, yeah.
P-E-T-H-E-N. And there's no E on the end of green?
No.
What's your middle name, sir? Tomorrow.
I got one tomorrow, but.
And we're gonna make sure they get it consolidated. You wanna go city attorney? It's set for tomorrow. If we can get that file, he's got the one set for one date and the other set for the other. We'll make sure that we consolidate both of them.
Okay, perfect.
All right, you can see the city attorney or you can come back tomorrow, whatever you guys wanna do.
We'll zoom in.
You wanna zoom in the morning?
Yeah.
All right, very well.
Thank you, sir.
All right, be safe. Everybody have a good day. All right, give me a minute, Miss Green. All right, I just don't want you to say anything you're walking over your rights. All right, just let the attorney do his job. Okay. Good morning to you, Ms. Rahal. Are we ready?
If the attorney is, yes,
All right, let's go. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Moyad Nasser Ghali, case number Z80, strike that, Z8100321. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
good morning, Your Honor. Samara Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court. القضية اليوم للسيد مؤيد ناصر غالي. رقم القضية Z8000321. أعطينا اسمك الكامل.
All right, let's also call SP 18668272 into the record as well.
88672. اوكي. وكمان قضية SP 188722. أعطيه اسمك سيد.
Ghali Moyed Nasser.
Ghali Moyed Nasser.
All right, today is the date and time set for a sentencing. Mr. Soroki, have you gone over the pre-sentence report with your client? Let Ms. Rahal interpret first, please.
سيد سروكي، طلعت على الورقة من إدارة المراقبة وفهمت موكلك شو فيه مكتوب؟
Yes, Your Honor.
نعم، طلعنا عليها.
Any questions about the report?
No, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
أي سؤال عن التقرير؟ لا محامي.
لا.
No.
All right. I did go over the report. I have one question about the report.
أنا طلعت على التقرير بس عندي سؤال.
And I don't know if it's correct or not. Mr. Ghali, it says on the first line that he identifies as a white male. Is that correct?
سيد غالي أنت كاتب إنه أنت رجال أبيض اللون.
أبيض نعم أنا أبيض.
Yes.
All right, very well. Anything you want to say on behalf of your client before the court imposes sentence?
Your Honor, I believe this is a incident that will not happen again, and Mr. Ghali is looking forward to completing his probation and getting his driver's license.
حضرة القاضي أنا بعتقد إنه ما بقى يحصل هالشي، والسيد قال لي عم يعمل كل شيء لحتى يرجع رخصته وراح يكمل كل شيء بينطلب منه.
I did have another question about the report. Mr. Galley indicated on the second page, second to the last paragraph or third, second to the third paragraph.
عندي سؤال. Yes.
Third to the last paragraph that he does not really care about other people's problems.
هيدا السؤال اللي قلت لك اياه، انت ما بيهمك مشاكل غيرك؟ عم يسألك القاضي، انت كتبوا ها؟
ما بتدخل بمشاكل غيري.
What I mean is I don't want to interfere in other people's problems.
Okay. So that should reflect that you don't want to interfere in other people's problems.
Okay, هلا زبطت انه ما بدك تتدخل.
You usually fight rather than walking away.
إذا صار في مشكلة بتقاوم أنت بالمشكلة ولا بتترك المشكلة وبتمشي؟
لا أحب المشاكل ولكن أستعين باتصال بالبوليس حتى لو تعرضت.
No, we just connect with the police.
Say that again?
I just connect with the police.
I don't understand that.
يعني إذا صار
مشكلة
حاول أول شيء أتصل بالبوليس.
If there is a problem, immediately I call the police.
And then in the report, he indicates that he felt good after he left the party that he consumed the alcohol.
كمان بالمعلومات بيقول إنه أنت حسيت جيد بجسمك جيد بعد ما شربت الكحول. أنت قايل هيك؟
كيف جيد يعني؟
يعني كويس.
إيه يعني مش سكران قصدي.
What I meant was I wasn't drunk.
Oh, you don't think you were drunk, huh?
أنت ما فكرت حالك سكران؟ نعم؟
لا.
No. I didn't
Well,
think
you might have a bigger problem than you think you do.
لكن هي مشكلة أكبر ما بتفكر فيه إذا ما حسيت إنه أنت سكران.
المهم أنا تركت كل شيء يعني ما أهتم.
No, I immediately left everything now.
Yeah, because you say in the report that the GPS had you go the wrong way up a one-way street.
إيه أنت قايل بالتقرير للإدارة إنه الGPS حطك بالغلط، شارع الغلط، صح؟
نعم هذا اللي حصل.
Yes, that's what happened.
It had nothing to do with the 3 Coronas and the multiple shots of tequila. It had nothing to do with that.
يعني هالتأثير إنه تشرب ثلاثة تكيلا وثلاثة بير ما إلها علاقة كيف مشيت بالشارع الغلط.
البيرة كانت خفيفة والشات الويسكي كان صغير كثير يعني فما أثر يعني.
The beer was a light beer and the whiskey that I drank was a small amount.
It says you told that you had consumed 3 beers and 3 shots of tequila, and your blood alcohol was over 2 times the legal limit, close to 3 times the legal limit.
بين بفحص الدم إنه كان أنت شربت 3 تكيلا و3 بيرة، وبين بالفحص الدم إنه أنت كنت مرتين زايد عن القانون اللي بيسمح لك.
ما كنت عارف النسبة يعني.
I didn't know the level.
Pardon me?
I didn't know that was the level.
You didn't go over the report?
ما طلعت على التقرير؟ ايه معي. Yes.
أي تقريبا.
اللي قريت لك اياها. What report?
إيه.
Yes, I did.
بالنسبة إنه ممنوعة بالقانون ما كنت أعرف يعني ما كنت
Oh, okay. What I meant when I says I didn't know is that I didn't know that it wasn't allowed.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, that level. I didn't know the level that wasn't allowed. That it wasn't allowed. Translating, Your Honor, word for word.
All right, I'm going to place the defendant on a term of probation of 12 months.
Okay, هيحطك على المراقبة 12 شهر.
Shall not use or possess any illicit or controlled substances or alcohol.
ممنوع يكون تستعمل أي مادة ممنوعة ولا ممنوع تشرب كحول كمان.
Submit to random alcohol tests 3 times per month.
3 مرات بالشهر بدك تقدم فحص البول ليشوفوا شربان.
Complete alcohol highway safety education level 1.
رقم 1 بيكمل البرنامج الأمان على السياقة.
Complete Mothers Against Drunk Driving Victims Impact Panel.
تكمل الأمهات برنامج الأمهات اللي ضد السكرانين معلوماتها هي.
Complete the choices classes with eBay.
عن طريق الإيباي اللي بيقولوا لك إنه تكمل الصفوف الخيارات اللي بياخدوا الواحد بالحياة.
It's going to be a $240 fine.
جزا $240.
$35 a month supervision fee for probation.
لإدارة المراقبة $35 في الشهر.
هاي 200 ما أعرف قديش جميل.
ها؟
هاي 200 وسمثينغ شو هذا ما أعرف.
What's a 244?
That's the fine I'm imposing for the getting stopped.
أنا
getting
بحكم
guilty.
أنا عم بحكم عليك للجزاء لأنه توقفت بهالشكل 240. أوكي.
محكمة.
نعم.
فاحنا هون بالمحكمة يعني على
Oh, and I pay it here in court.
Yeah, it'll all be on, you'll pay it all to the court.
ايه بتدفعهم كلهم للمحكمة.
I would pay the $35 probation fee on a per month basis.
$35 إدارة المراقبة هذا بتدفعهم شهرية بس ما بتدفعهم فرد مرة.
It'll be a $15 a month urinalysis fee.
لياخذوا فحص البول $15 بالشهر مرة.
بليز بس كوتشن مهم.
نعم.
في سؤال مهم عن الفحص الطبي بليز.
I'd like to have a question. I have a question to ask you about the urinalysis test.
الفحص الطبي انا وين بعمل؟ لان المحكمه جابوني عم بعمل الفحص بعثوني على ميشيغان افنيو مرتين بالاسبوع فما بعرف اروح
لا لحظة بتكمل. I just want you to know that the court in Dearborn has me going for checkups like this for twice a month. مرتين ولا بالشهر.
Or with the Dearborn court.
عشان البولة بالحديقة يعني وحطوني تحت المراقبة الفحص الطبي.
I'm under probation and I'm paying for the doctor's fee.
And what are you on probation?
ليش انت على المراقبة بديربورن؟
وعشان هاي المخالفة be in the parking كان.
Oh, because of the violation of being in a parking lot.
Well, you need to coordinate that with your probation officer. I won't, if she can, hold on. If she can substantiate that you've been testing the way this court and you're compliant with that, I'm not having any issue of where the test comes from.
عم بيقول ما بيهمهم وين بتطلع الفحص، اعلم إدارة المراقبة وإذا هني وافقوا وانت عم تاخذ الفحص احكي معهم ما بعرض انا.
And $100 substance abuse evaluation fee.
وتثمين للواحد يشوف اذا الثاني ليثمنوا الفحص اذا بالنسبه للدرجه اللي هو شغال فيه او المعلومات عن حياته. هل عملته $100.
مين ادفع المية؟
نعم.
مين ادفع المية؟
And who do I pay this 100 to?
All of it pays to the 36th District Court. It'll all be on the judgment of sentence.
الوثيقة اللي راح يعطيك إياها مكتوب عليها كل شيء اللي عم بطلبه أنا بتدفعهم بتفرجيهم على الأوراق لمحكمة 36 عندك.
And all other statutory fees, there are other statutory fees which will be enumerated on the judgment of sentence as well.
كان في إجباري من الولاية إنه تدفعهم بعد الدفعات. هلأ كمان بيكون موجودين على الأوراق اللي راح يعطوك إياها حالي بس نخلص.
Your Honor?
Yes.
The 6 month date takes us into that last week of December, but we're closed that week. Do you want to go?
All right, we can go a little further out. Well, let's do it a little bit before that.
The 22nd of December?
22nd of December is we'll review it in 6 months on the 22nd of December. And then what is it?
June 29th, 2027.
And then the 12-month date is going to be June 29th, 2027. So you have two dates. I'm gonna review it in 6 months on June 22nd, 2026 at 8:25.
اوكي. alright عم بيقول بعد 6 أشهر شهر 12 يوم 22 الساعة 8:25 رح طالع على ملفك وبتحضر انت او على طريق الشاشة او ما بعرف كيف ليطالع على ملفك اذا كل شيء مزبوط واذا لا شهر 12 شهر من اليوم شهر 6 يوم 29/2027 بيكون نهاية 12 شهر.
في سؤال من يزودني بالعناوين حتى أعمل الصفوف هاي اللي قال عن المحكمة.
I need to ask you a question. Who these places that I have to do the mothers against and whatever they want me to do? Who's going to guide me to do that?
You'll have to talk to the probation officer about that, see if they have it in Arabic.
Okay, احكي مع إدارة المراقبة بجوز عندهم إياها بالعربي. تمام؟
Okay.
أنا وصلتني لايسنس لاست ويك من مكتب السواقة وصلتني على الإيميل الدرايف لايسنس.
أعطوك إياها؟
إيه أعطوني إياها وصلتني على الإيميل الأسبوع اللي فات.
Last week, I was given by the Secretary of State my driver's license.
Congratulations.
Anina.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back on December 22nd, and I'll mark the file needs Arabic interpreter.
Okay, ارجع شهر 12 رح يحطها على الأوراق اللي عندك يوم 22 الساعة 8:25 ورح أطلب منهم يحصلوا يجيبوك مترجم. تمام؟ اوكي. الله.
If it's nothing.
الشهر السادس 2017
لا شهر 12. He said, was it June of 2000? شهر 12.
2006.
Huh?
2026.
والتاني هلا رح تشوفهم بالوراق. شهر, Your Honor, I'm repeating the address, the time again. شهر 6/2027 يوم 29. تمام؟
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. All right. I wish you the best of luck, sir. You should be getting a call from probation. Have a very good rest of your day.
نهار سعيد. بيتصلوا فيك إدارة المراقبة وموفق. تمام؟
Thank you. شكرا جزيلا. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank
All
you,
right,
Your
have a
Honor.
great. All right. Have a great day, everyone. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hall. Mr. Soroki, I don't know, have you ever talked to your other client, Gantz?
No, but it appears that she is,
Here she is right here.
Oh, she's on the Zoom?
Yep.
Okay. All right, well,
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Shantae Gantz, case number Z809659. Appearance for the record, please.
good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Shantae Gantz, Shantae Danielle Gantz.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is
Good morning, Your Honor.
Sentencing. Unfortunately, I haven't gotten any report from you. They indicated that they called and they mailed postcards to your address, but they never got a response.
I didn't see no report card. I mean, I was looking for a telephone call because that was what the judge told me last time, that they were going to call me and just look out for scam likely calls. I've been answering all of them and
Yeah,
checking my voicemails. I wasn't looking for a postcard. I didn't know about a postcard.
It says your calls were not in service. The number that you gave us was not in service.
This is the number that I'm on now that I could be contacted in for the last 5 years.
What number is
It's
that?
313-488-7869.
That's what the problem is. 7869.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's what the problem is. The number was, I either took the number down, I took the number down wrong.
No, that's the number I had, Judge. The
7869.
No, not the 7869, the 7484 number.
Yeah, that's the wrong number. 7869. 7869 instead of 7484. I don't know how I got that. All right. Have you been testing, ma'am?
I haven't. Well, actually, Your Honor, I'm completely honest here and transparent in the situation. I haven't had a drink. Okay, I was counting days.
Ask you that.
Okay, let me just say.
Hold on, stop, man, stop. No. Let me say this. Have you been testing?
I didn't know where to test that. Like, I didn't know what to do. Like, I ain't never been through this before. I haven't had a drink.
All right. Please. I see what's going on. All right.
September the 2nd to be my 1 year, no alcohol.
Congratulations.
September the 2nd of this year. Thank you. And I'm happy.
We're gonna start having you testing one time per week. I see why you haven't tested, because they didn't have the right phone number for you to set you up for testing. So that is my fault again, because I took the number down wrong. I'll chalk that up as it being my fault, because I took the number down wrong. I'm gonna have you testing one time per week. I want you to submit yourself to a PSI, a PSI report, pre-symptoms investigation report. That report I need in order to be sentenced you. Test one time per week. No leaving state without court's permission. Obviously, no drinking, which obviously you say you're done with it, at least for now.
Well, it was supposed to go for 5 months, but I almost died trying to do it, so I'll never do it again. I don't think so, no.
Well, I wish you the best of luck on that and maintaining your sobriety. We'll reset the sentence date for July the 30th, 2026. I'm going to refer
Well,
the
Your
matter.
Honor, my birthday is the 28th, right? So I just took off work and got these tickets and stuff. I want to go to Atlanta. It was supposed to be Miami, now I didn't change to Texas for my birthday. And can I get permission from the probation or something?
When are you trying to go out of town, ma'am?
I'm trying to go out of town from the 24th to like the 31st. My best friend getting pendant. She about to be a doctor.
Slow down. Is this July?
Yes, it's just the end of July. And I can still come to court because it's on Zoom.
Let's see if we can get this done by the 23rd.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate your leniency.
The 23rd. Let's refer it to probation. Set the matter for sentencing on July 23rd at 10 a.m. July 23rd at 10 a.m. Wait for a call. If you don't hear from a call by the end of this week, we're closed on Friday. So if you don't hear from a call by Thursday, Zoom in. We'll get you in touch with the probation department at that time, okay?
Okay, Your Honor, because that's what I started to do, because it's the 29th approach. I'm like, I ain't heard nothing. I started to call the court, which I should have did. But I didn't follow my first line.
I told you to do that.
Yeah, I should have called the court. I should have called, because I knew I hadn't heard anything, and you said they was going to call. I figured I would have heard from a lawyer or somebody. But anyway, thank you, Your Honor. So the 23rd, and then what I gotta do, they're gonna send me some paperwork. Should I be looking out for that in the mail?
I call you this time and they're gonna set, you gotta come down to probation, set the, get the probation pre-sentence investigation report. They're gonna set you up with testing. You need to test 1 time per week, okay?
Okay, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it
Best of
all
luck.
out.
Best of luck to you, Mrs. Gantz.
Can I call your clerk? She always been really nice about helping people.
Yes, she's not here now, but if you need to, yes, you may.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck.
Thank you, lawyer. All right, you too. Happy holidays, y'all.
Happy
Safe,
holiday.
be safe.
Yep, you too.
Okay, thanks.
All right, have a good day, Judge. Have a good day, everyone.
All right, you too.
Thank
you,
That was the
lawyer.
number I had for it too. But.
I do have the ticket here, Mr. And I can forward you the copy of the ticket, Mr. Ragnon. It just states that it was a trespassing on Midbury Street. Witness homeowner state that the above listed bars into home without permission after telling her she could not come in. And that was alleged on October 22nd, 2022.
Your Honor, the police officer could not recall the
all right, let's
events.
call it City of Detroit versus Rochelle Green, case number U646174222, SP182-99281, SP182-9921, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP183-03511, SP183-03551. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of Ms. Green. Ms. Green, would you state your full name for the court, please?
Rachel Green.
Your Honor, after discussing the matter with Prosecutor Horn, she did talk to the police officer who's been here all morning, by the way, and he told her he could not even recall the situation. So she's agreed to dismiss this and all charges except for the driving while license suspended, which will be amended to speeding 1 to 5 miles per hour over the limited access.
Well, she's agreed to dismiss those, but she's agreed to dismiss that other stuff for no recollection. But the driving while license suspended, today is the date and time set for trial, and I don't have Corporal Whitehead. Now, if Ms.
Then it should all be dismissed.
Then she can plead to it.
Yes. It'll all be dismissed, Your Honor. Then. Thank you.
You have a motion to dismiss?
Yes, I'm making a motion to dismiss all charges on the screen at this time.
I'll grant the motion. If there's nothing further, Ms. Green. Wait a minute. Okay, that one is there.
You see this fucking thing went.
8-1. It's Corporal Whitehead's. All right, that I'll grant the motion to dismiss. That's why I tell you don't have to say anything, Miss Green, and especially blurting things out that may have implicated yourself. Just sit back and let things work out before you start yelling things out. Miss Horn, the other cases are dismissed. Officer Corporal Whitehead didn't hear. So I'll waive the warrant fee. And if it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Good luck, Ms. Green.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Now that ticket clearly says she borrowed into somebody's house.
Yeah, Your Honor, I just want to ask this question. I had asked that Christopher Larkin and Burden Lillard, who missed Friday's hearing. I don't know if either one of them showed up today.
No Christopher Larkin and no, it was Erica Larkin. That's so the Larkin that was Erica Larkin. No Christopher Larkin and none of the other the other client that you mentioned showed.
Well, I want to thank you, Your Honor, for everything today. Thank your clerk and your court officer, especially Ms. Horn. I want to thank her as always. Appreciate everything. Great day.